Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming hardware and software compatibility, iPhone on iOS 16 or later, and a Mac with the required Mac OS. Once done, enable continuity camera on the iPhone and make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, with both devices using the same Apple ID. This creates the peer link. Now open OBS and go to the Sources panel. Add a new video capture device. Name it iPhone Continuity, so you can identify it quickly during scene changes. With the device added, select your iPhone from OBS's device dropdown. Choose the highest resolution and the capture format that gives stable performance, typically MJPEG for lower CPU use or YUI2 for color fidelity. Next, set the frame rate to 30 or 60 FPS depending on your stream needs. Once video looks right, use Transform and choose Fit to Screen, then lock the source to avoid accidental moves. If you prefer, add the iPhone mic as an audio source or route audio through the Mac. Finalize by testing a short recording to check latency and synchronization. If audio drifts, add a monitor and delay filter in OBS to align tracks. To change lenses, switch the camera on the iPhone Control Center or reselect within Source Properties. This updates instantly. If the iPhone doesn't appear, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and confirm continuity camera is authorized on the Mac. That usually clears pairing errors. Finally, save the scene collection so your setup loads reliably next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.